Hello, my name is Major, and I'd like to welcome you to today's workout. Welcome to Club Fit 15. Today we're going to concentrate on joint mobility. Yes, a joint mobility workout or warm-up. Concentrating on joint mobility is so important, and in this time, I feel like it's time for us to reset, hit the reset button, to readjust, to refocus, to restart, and to just don't quit. Just to back up off of going longer in time and concentrating on, the joints. So we're going to slow some things down for this workout or this warm-up. This Tabata is going to be primarily geared towards warming up and taking care of the joints. You should always warm up before you work out. And sometimes I can get a little carried away and really get into going harder, going faster, doing more reps, more sets. And so I just wanted to slow down, step back, do a reset, readjust, refocus, restart. Are you ready? Let's go. Getting ready for this reset. Going to start with pelvic tilts, hips back and forward. I'm not going to play any music on this workout because I want you to concentrate here. So I'm doing pelvic tilts, tucking the pelvis back and forward. So I'm squeezing the glutes, hips back, hips forward. Good, good. So I'm going to stand with my feet hip width, about shoulder width apart. I'm going to do my lateral shift hip, sitting back in the hip, alternating sides. Notice I'm reaching out with my arms and I'm sitting back with the hips, sitting back to that hip, sitting back. I can feel this stretch on the back of the hamstring, sitting back, looking straight ahead, alternating right and left, slowing things down here. Good. Next, we're going to concentrate on hip circles. We're going to go right and then left. We're going to start small hip circles, tight core, chest high. Start small, hip circles, take it around. Hip circles, make this hair circles bigger. Hip circles, keep a hot chest high, core engaged, hip circles. Concentrating on the hips. Hip circles. Hip circles, and stop. So we're going to stop, we're going to take it in the other direction. Again, chest high, shoulders relaxed, arms, hands under hip, and hip circles. Start small, hips forward, side and back, and then get bigger. Hip circles, big hip circles, just slowing things down, getting in touch with the movement, getting in touch with the hips, what's going on in your hips, what's going on through your core, what's going on through your breathing. Breathe. Hip circles. Next, we're going to do spine glides, a soft bend in the knee, feet are shoulder width apart, high chest, arms out, block your chest, rib cage, just slide side to side. I'm just sliding my rib cage over the hips, keep the hips squared, palms down, arms out. Breathe. Natural breath. Awesome. Good. Moving on. We're going to go to lateral flexion, opposite, reaching right and left. So I'm going to take my right arm up, reach over and stretch. Alternate sides. So the hand that's going up, the arm that's going up, palm is facing forward. The hand that's down, palm is facing the back. Reach. Big arm reach and stretch. So I'm reaching and stretching with both arms. Good job. Next, I'm going to turn side here. Going to do a pelvic tilt. So here we're going to breathe through the chest and exhale out. Breathe through the chest, press the chest out. Exhale, rounding out my upper back, maintaining the pelvic tilt, rounding through the upper back. Inhale, exhale. Good job. we're going to do shoulder screws. So my arms are out, right palm down, left palm up, and reach, screw. I'm twisting through the shoulders. Twisting through the shoulders. Palm up, palm down. Look at that right side and look left side. Core is engaged. Look left, look right. This is good. This really feels good on the shoulders. Twisting, rotate, and twist. Good job. Next, we're going to do Tai Chi twist using the whole body, alternating right and left side. And I'm just going to turn. Use a Tai Chi twist. Then plant the feet. Just turn through the waist. Swinging your arms. Tight core. Bring your feet a little wider than shoulder width. And we're going to do lateral side stretches here. So it's like a single squat. I'm squatting on that left leg and squatting right. Toes are straight ahead. Inhale. Again, we're just slowing things down. 20 seconds of work, 10 seconds. Awesome. Good. We're going to do forward arm stretches. So this is like a swimming movement. Soft bend in the knee. Reach right and left. I'm reaching up. Stretch, reach. Reach and stretch. Stretch and reach. Stretch and reach. Reach and stretch. Good job. Good. I'm going to take things down a bit. Go from the hip. So what I'm going to do is bring my left leg up. You can hold on to a wall for support. Extend. Core engaged, proud chest. Again, I'm holding on to the wall for support, for balance. I really can feel this in the hamstring. Extend, slowing it down. This is a good warm up. I'm actually sweating here. Just slowing things down, tight core. Bring your right leg up and extend. Extend that leg out. Again, it's okay to hold onto a wall or a chair. You want to notice what's going on with your body. We're going to start from the top from here. Good. Face front. We're going to start with our pelvic tilts again. So imagine your hips are a bowl, tight core. So I'm scooping the pelvis under and hips back. Scoop under. Scoop, tight core, proud chest, scoop, squeezing the glutes as you press the hips forward. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Awesome. Face front. We're going to do our lateral shift, right and left. So feet about shoulder width apart. And as I sit back in that left hip, I really feel that stretch on the opposite side, that right side. I'm feeling it on the left side here. Sit back with the hip. My feet are straight ahead, sitting back with the hip. The movement is in the hip. Extend the hip back, arms forward. Good. We're going to go back to our hip circles. Again, hip circles. I'm going to turn side. You want to start small with the hip circles. Start small with the hip circles. With each circle, get bigger circles, hip circles. I used to think that this one was silly, but I actually do feel it in my hip. Keeping my abdominals engaged. Hip circles. Good. Going to turn around. Going to change directions. Feet about shoulder width, proud chest. And start small, hip circles, and get bigger with the hip circles, bigger. Pay attention to your breathing. Do you hear any clicking in the hips? Round, big circles, hip circles. Squeeze in the glutes as I bring the head. I'm really pressing forward, side, and back. Good job. We're going to do our glides. So remember with the glide, proud chest, I'm just shifting, blocking out my rib cage, right and left. I'm reaching left, right, just sliding the rib cage over the hips. This is good for the spine. Stretch, soft bend in the knee. I can't believe that I am actually working up a sweat here. It's been a while since I've done this. I'm going to do lateral flexion, reaching up. Remember that right arm, that right hand, the palm is facing forward. Stretch. Left palm forward. So I'm reaching with both arms, crossing the body. Reach and stretch. Check your breathing. Up, reaching up and over. And reaching down. Good job. Gonna get a spine stretch, pelvic tilt, inhale, round. Gonna turn sides, pelvic tilt, inhale, round, exhale. Inhale through the chest. Remember, you wanna maintain that pelvic tilt, so squeeze the rear. Inhale, exhale. You should feel that stretch in the lats between the shoulder blades. Exhale, good stretch. I love that stretch. Going to do our shoulder screws. This is another favorite of mine. Shoulder screws, left palm up, left palm up, right palm down, twist. So I'm screwing the shoulders, I'm twisting through the shoulders. Looking at my right palm, left palm, right, left. Again, this is good if you got some rotator cuff issues. Want to warm up. Remember, you always want to warm up before your workout. It prepares your body for the workout. Prepares your body for the workout. Going to go to our Tai Chi twist. Remember, with the Tai Chi twist, you're going to twist all the way down to the ankle. So notice I'm coming up on my toe. Swinging my arms. Swinging from the ankle. Swinging from the knee to the hip. Now plant your feet and just go from the knee to the hip. And down. Good. Work it up. Good job. I'm going to do our laterals. Bring your feet a little wider than shoulder width. I'm going to sit back, squat on that left hip. Inhale. Right. Sitting back on that right heel. Sit back on that left heel. Reach out with those arms. So I'm reaching, stretching. The warm-up is just as important as the strength and the cardio. One more. Good. I'm going to do my extensions. Right extension. Extend the front and back. I'm going to add one because I forgot to add the ankles. So we'll do the ankles after this one. Again, you're getting 20 seconds here of work. I'm extending forward. Turn around. I'm holding on to the wall for balance. That's okay. Fingertips on the wall. Core engaged, chest high. Left leg up. Extend. I can feel the contraction in the hamstring as well as in the quad. Try to get a full extension. Toe up. Tight core. The core is working. Really, I feel this workout all over. Slow it down. We're resetting, readjusting. Now I'm going to break it down to my ankles. Square the shoulders. I'm going to start with the right. I'm just really going to point, flex, point, flex, a little balance. Again, here I'm balancing on that left leg. If you need to hold on to the wall for balance, for support, or a chair, that's fine. Point. Don't want to forget the ankle joints. The ankles were saying, what about me? Point and flex at the ankle. Left side. Point and flex. Square your shoulders. Proud chest. I keep saying that over and over because it reminds me I'm telling myself what to do. Point, flex, point, flex. You're also going to notice that your balance is better on one side than the other. I'm more balanced on my right side. Point and flex. Now I turned this workout, this is a warm-up, but we really turned it into a workout by making it's going for 15 minutes. So we're using it as a 15, as a workout. So let's do our backstroke. Reach. Left and right. Reach. I'm stretching. Reaching back, backstrokes. So again, this is a warm-up, but I've turned it into a 15 workout. Let's start over again from the top. We're going to start out with our pelvic tilt. Remember, with the pelvic tilt, soft bend of the knee, scoop the pelvis forward, squeezing the glutes, hips back. Exhale, inhale. Forward and back. Forward, squeezing the glutes, and back. Forward and back. Tell me what you think of this workout. I mean, again, it's a joint mobility warm up, but we're turning into a workout by extending the time from 5 minutes to 15 minutes. Let's get our laterals and left side. Sit back in the hip. This is different from the lateral squat that we do later in this workout, but this is a joint mobility, open chain through the shoulders, hips, back. Good job. Again, this was our joint mobility warm-up, but I took it and I went a little further and turned it into a workout. Hey, I want to know what you think about the joint mobility warm-up, the joint mobility fit 15. This is Major. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you care, and I'll see you next time.